Okay, so here is the old PCV valve, a BP05. It's probably the original valve that was in the car. And when I tested it for suction by putting my finger over it. I felt some suction, but listen to this if you can hear it. Can't really hear much of anything there when you shake it. This is a new valve I got. It's also the same thing. And if you shake it, you hear pretty clearly the rattle there. So I'm going to change this out and see if it makes any difference in anything like the idle or the fuel consumption or anything like that, and then I'll write up the results.